Hello!
Hunt, we found it!
Hey!
It's not down deep.
No, he's right there, like.
Out. Come on.
Close the door! Here, right in the gutter.
He's gone anyway.
You're ready anyway.
Yeah.
China.
China sensor.
Vlog cunt. Okay, so yeah, brilliant. We started taking out all the sound deadening because we're going to strip absolutely everything in the car. So this sound deadening is about 30 years old, so the idea is to heat it up with the heat gun. We got lighting here. This is fucking misery. See, we didn't go that far and now we're hungry. A bit rusty. We're going to take out the chairs also. Hi! Take out all the sound deadening. Fun. The rail is just a shit weldo rail so it doesn't retract. Look at this for fun. Trying to hold the camera at the same time. This is shit. Hello! Fucking Christ. Yes! No, that first aid, where's the first aid kit? Holy fuck! Where's the first aid kit?
That's okay, look.
Dougie doesn't like blood.
Just wipe him in this. What's this?
A real bright rail. Turns out the rail is genuine, it just doesn't work. This thing just keeps on giving. Oh, more money! A few little secrets hiding underneath this shit. Silver top. These are shit though, aren't they?
So too.
The initial D man, did he put one of these in?
Yeah.
Put a silver top in though, didn't he?
Yeah. This is a Group A engine.
Yeah.
Stop recording me.
No. This is going in this. Apparently these engines are shit. They're not as good as the black top.
They're weak.
They're
soft.
just a weak, soft engine that nobody should care about.
So this is the distributor blanking kit?
Yes. Cap. Not really a kit. So hang on in. Yeah, because
Wait.
you're running a coil pack, so you're blanking this then, and this is usually where that's left on, and they beat the fuck out of the bulkhead then to get it in. At the front, that's the relocation kit then, where you put it on the front. Spider web. Every single hole is just ridiculously full of spiders and shit. Oh god. He's dead, but there's so many fucking spiders in this car. Hello?
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 Did you find all the stuff?
Hello?
Hunt, we found it!
Hey! Halfway.
This is shit.
Goodbye. Nice big blister on the hand here from the back of the fucking chisel. For everybody that's going to say you should have used dry ice, dry ice is really expensive and hard to find in Ireland, and it's not cold enough for me to crack off all this sound deadening with a hammer. So the only way to do is to heat it and bash it off with a chisel, and it's shit. It's fun. Holy fucking shit.
What's going on? What's going on here? Progress is slow.
So we are going to take out the dash and we're going to take out the cage. And that's the start. Another reason why we're taking it out is because there was creepy fucking spiders crawling all over here. Look at the size of this fucking cunt. Look at him. The cage is crusty as fuck. As we can see here, it's been in here for a long time.
We are taking out the roll cage here and
it's fucking super crusty, so the bolts just snapped.
snappy bolty. These are super fucking crusty.
Time. Plates are fucking seriously rusty.
That's pretty fucking nasty. Rust.
Yes. Scully, boy. Give me this bar. The middle bar is all that's left.
And that's the bar.
Here's the van. The Juiceboxer.
We'll filter that.
So there's an Irish version of Gate Build that's happening tomorrow. It's not really. It's basically a load of camping in Mondello, our only racetrack in Ireland. Ruben's going to drive up and try drift for 2 days and drink and do nonsense and then drive home.
Mostly drinking. No, mostly drifting.
It'll probably be mostly drinking. We have Juicebox merchandise. There we go. T-shirts finally available. I'm sure by the time this video is made, the shop will be open. Essentials are this shit-colored couch. Perfect oversized bog roll. This, yeah, this lamp is very important. Now,
We're ready.
trackside necessities. Those are up.
Got your fucking lamps. Which one do you want?
We just have to.
Everyone you want? Fine.
Sound for the lamp, boy.
Okay.
There's a welded diff in that.
It's not welded.
Have fun.
Good night.
So we're on the way to Mondello. We're in the Juiceboxer.
I don't know how to make it more clear.
What's this?
What invention?
Shite! What's going on?
Some yoke to milk tires.
A lot!
We have a hole in the radiator, but we don't give a fuck. Do not drink.